Angang unabada mama laikhidabadagi Janims Hospital da irang thokre. Amadi Churachandpur da ngarang strong room hangkhiba du tangai phadana che changlok thopagi hangkhibani haina CEO PK Singna haikre. Miyeng tabiri bapumna makpu taram noksari hojik mapung ba pau pizari. Janims Hospital da angang unabada Imphal East ki nongdam dagi longjam Rojen LS inaugi loinabi longjam Isan Tombi kaubi chahi taramapalum surabi nupi amangarang nongyai matungda Janims da laikhidrei pendraba miyamna maraleba doctor Sairak bigadabani haina irang khawraktuna hospital gi mafam khara amang ata thokhankhre miyam adu police na control tongnaba yamna kanna hotnaki. Amarom dangarang Isan Tombi laikhidabagi matangda patient ki miyoi singna Janims Hospital gi thongnau amadi ambulance ani thugairami habigi matangda yaningdaba phongdoktuna hospital asigi doctor amadi mahairoi singna casualty amadi OPD thingzinduna wakat mifam chathakre wakat mifam chatharingaida laikhidrabi Isan Tombi gi laikai gi khoisaunaraba miyamna hospital la thomjilakpadagi wakat mifam adu kaikre. Makata na ngasisu amuhanna miyamna Janims ta maraleba doctor Sairak bigadabani haina irang khawrakhibadugi matangda thawdok thokphamdagi phangba pawgi matung ina laikhidrabi Isan Tombi asi ngarang numidang pung 12 rom taba matamda doctor na operation tawduna angang nupa ama unekhi angang unerba matungda nongyai matung pung ama khara helakpa matamda mahak laikhidabani hairi ngasi amuk miyamna maraleba doctor Sairak bigadabani haina irang horakpa aduda masing yamlaba Imphal East ki police personnel singlaktuna miyamgi irang adu laksinaba honaki laikhidrabi gi mapuroi ba longjam Rojen Elias inauna phongdorakpagi matung inna mahaki laikhidrabi Isan Tombi asi horakpadagi Dr. Memida layengduna lakhi mahaki advice makhata pangthokkiba test khudingmak normal oiduna lakhi ngarang su normal da angang unagani hairaga khudakta operation tawdaba yararoi hairakpadagi operation pangthokkibani adubu Dr. Memida di operation aduda yaukhide haina phongdoraki
tholakpaga masaje angonda baba ai hakchang am nuaite nang thokino ai je so mayang wasale hai ko aina madam aman lerame madam mi nate ko ado staff the lem ne aina madam aina complain tawe ai keno je wase yang wari hai amta jingbiyo hai kanda mana doctor mada phone tawre jila ani hai ko adu fare ai wife na ke change ko aduga ngalum leba so alak pide ko adu second dai na mo request tawre ba du nga lega le duma bp check tawjina tawre ko adu bp duma ol sa ya de kari no khangde adu oxygen nung posele adu moi ma sen pa phongna gre ai dum ai kap ga dum thoi
Misi asigi matangda JSC ama semkhre JSC ki convener yaikhom singkhai nganbana Misi asigi matangda January be doctor asi dismiss tawgadabani doctor gawari sanaba matamda video recording tawgadabani haiba wafam kaya thamlakhibaga loinana doctor Memini yengmada nongdamdagi anganguna badala kidabasi Isan Tombi ga tharaga myoi ahum sure JSC asina taliba demand phongdriba phawba asiba chang laudaba loinana akanma khongjang kaya changsingani haina phongdorakhi
Sinai same patient ji yeng ma tamta A to Z hek hobadagi karino soise ma da karino walise kaino mangonda taw pijag da bidak se ma doctor amani na patient ama yengimna ma A to Z khangbam thoeba mana tawam thogoda tawdamnina akoi nangna tawgibado details tai bi video coverage ko tawjage adugi matungina khoi wari sanasi haibneba video coverage aktabde khoi wari sanadeba wari sanadre khoi thole aduga moina ngare hoi yani sidadi ICU da unabnina yaroi video coverage lawdo makhado unasi haire makhada mung sange director yawraga wari sana saiba matamda koi sange moi zongai anga masada una koi sange amu wari sana mata video coverage lawgi yadeba akhoi giga thara ahum sureba sina han manateba mimi haire doctor se mana yengmada pregnant oiba mi da miron mi da mana angang unabada mana yengmada siri baje singna haire ahum sureba matung tarakpada amwana khudung thidana bane koi site tagi dismiss to pame
Hojik phawbada Isan Tombi bo operation pangthoki hariba doctor amadi Janims ki authority ki maikai digi thokdok asigi paw longnana bhona bada unaba phangdre Churachandpur ngarang strong room hangkiba du tangai phadana che chang lokthokpagi hangkibani haina CEO PK Singna haikre ngasi lempel pataleba CEO ge besta pangthokpa paumi singa unaba aduda mahakna makhataraduna returning officer singna scrutiny tawbada sizinnagadaba che chang lokthoknabagi strong room adu hangkibani mathau taba processing sapsana ngakna thabak adu lokhatkibani social media da bot thadaba manipulation tawbagi video clip ama viral chaliba asi Manipur gi natte miyamna thajabiganu haiki.
Unfortunately, there was some communication gap. The election agent turned up, and though his authorized representative did not raise any objection, he said that why was it opened, and even though it was explained to him properly, he has lodged a complaint. So we are replying to him. But my short purpose is that the procedure for opening the strong room was followed properly. Under proper videography, all the records are there. And there is absolutely no doubt that nothing wrong has taken place. There was a video yesterday on WhatsApp showing that it became viral, and I also got a copy. That particular polling station was shown, and it was shown that it is being, manipulated. Now, we immediately clarified in the DIPR group also and other groups also that the voting compartment shown there is not ours. Our voting compartment is right there, you can see. We have printed on all the three sides. The one which was shown in the video was blank. It was just having the logo. So it could be mischief, it could be some other place, but it is not Manipur.
Paumi singna hangba wahangi pakhumda mahakna makhataraduna ukhrolgi poi amadi chingai gi vote hangani atopa complaint leiba polling station gi CCTV gi footage sing check tawri ukhrolda EVM thugai khibagi matangda FIR lokhatkre haiki.
In Manipur, to add to the festivity of the election process, we will be giving a small gift to the first 50 voters who turn up at any polling station. That is from the CEO's office. We also have a special gift for all the persons with disability who turn up. So they will also be given, it will be written, proud to be a voter, Lok Sabha election 2019. Even in Manipur, we are lower than the last parliamentary election. So trend is always around 84-85% in the outer, slightly lower in the inner, more in the assembly, less in the parliament election. But this time, it's the same level as last parliament election. DO there has lodged an FIR that police will be investigating. Nobody was caught. They managed to destroy and escape very fast. So that is unfortunate. But then they will be caught sooner or later. Wherever we have received a polling station-wise, number-wise specific complaint, we are looking at the video footage, if it is there. Video footage, unfortunately, could not be done in all the places. It's only in some places. So, just to give an example, if there are 10 complaints, we have got video camera at 6 places, we are seeing all those 6 places.
Manipur Fire Service ki Fire Service Week ngasidagi hawdokre Manipur Fire Service Station matamga chunaba Fire Service Station ama ohenba mathau tare haina Chief Secretary Dr. J. Suresh Babu na phongdokre Polo Ground nakanda laiba Manipur Fire Service ki office ta pangthokiba Fire Service Week hawdokpagi thoromga mari lenana Chief Secretary na luchingduna laikhidraba firemen singge ningsing khubamda lai sukatuna ikai khumnaba utki Manipur Fire Service Department ki website ama so hangdokhi loinana maihau langpok thoppa matamda madudagi matau karamna kangani haibagi demonstration utki Chief Secretary Dr. J. Suresh Babu na maihau langpok amadi natural calamity thokpa matam khaktada miyamna Manipur Fire Service puning singi atai matamda Fire Service sing karam tawri makhoi gi kari awat apa lairi haiba kana amatana khangbide amadi yangsinbide Imphal Saharda mising hengalakpagi matung ina maihau langpok tatana thokle asigumba khodong thiba asidagi kannanaba Manipur Fire Service hojik lairiba phibam asidagi matamga chanaba khuchukolai hapchinduna phagat hanba mathau tai District Headquarters singdagi yamna lapna leiba mafam singda maihau langpok thorakpa matamda District Headquarters singdagi chatlaga maihau langpok kannaba hotnabada khudong jataba kaya thengnei asigumba sing asi koknanaba subdivision singda Fire Service Station amamam thambasu mathau tare handakta Manipur Fire Service ki manpower kharasu laukrabani laugadaba kharasu watli staff masing yamlabasu matik chaba khuchukulai leitrabadi kanaba leitabana matamga chunaba khuchukulai amadi gari na singba hengat hanbasu mathau tai Manipur laingakna Ministry da Fire Service ki damag special project ama semduna thakre haiki.
In the last few years, many fire service stations are opened, approved by the government. Many of them are not functional till today. Ideally, we should have one fire station in each of the subdivisions in the district. Most of the time, our service is concentrated in Imphal, More, Kaching, and Thawal, few of the key important places. But the interior areas has no access. So it is necessary that We will not be able to go from here all the way to reach the places, but we should be able to have our permanent stations. We are preparing a special project for improving this flight service. I request the Government of India to finance us, because our limited resources can only support few stations, but the requirement is so high.
Amaromda yaripok thong makhagi turel torban mapan lairiba morakai sing ngarang numidang pung taret lom tabada khanghaudana mai jaklakpadagi miyam pakhatna khre yaripok fire service amadi miyamna pung ama makhairom changna mai kanbagi thabak sathaki yaripoki akoibada lairiba club marigi apunba body ama oriba joint committee on people's welfare yaripoki maikaidagi phongdorakpada asigumba maihau langpoki thabak asi mamangda su thoktuna turel torban da saba dukan kaya mai jakpa yaukre miyoi kharana turel torban da morakai langthariba asi yaripok Municipal Council na ating mathamlabadi asigumba thogdok asi thokloi hairi yaripok Municipal Council gi amor akai langthokpham mafam ama thamaningi amadi miyamna sutural torbanda phattahawdi langthoktana ba apil tawki Lok Sabha Mikhal ka mari lenana BJP ki mirep singmai pakhanaba gari masagi rally amangasi Manipur Pollution Control Board ki chairman Radha Kishore na kainogdagi lamthakre Prime Minister Narendra Modi bo amok halaknaba made outer amade inner da thagatleba BJP ki mirepo miyam gi mihud oihannaba pandamda satliba rally asina miyamda pauzel pigani haina chairman Radha Kishore na haiki
India hari ban nation si Modi ji na pukhalakliba pichibi pumbada top 10 gi manung da yauna na honakwa Bharat ki laira praja sing gi damakta Bharat ki chatung phidung phangdraba praja sing gi damakta ngasi paikhalib scheme kaya sing ase masi success oina na ba mahak amwa han halakle herga India si buk kanna ba amadi Manipur buk kanna ba Manipur gi leribi issue sing ase nainabada Manipur gi thaga dorbe Lok Sabha gi member ani ase mai pakhal le herga Manipur ki indigenous people sing ase buk kanba Manipur ki boundary haibadi national boundary sigi matang da sayen neribi sing ase kanna gi damak ekhoi ngasi gi rally session mani
Inergi CPI gi mirep oriba Dr. M Naragi mifam amangarang elangbam lekai da pangthokre Dr. M Narana Manipur kannana ba madi aphaba Manipur ama ohenna bahotna bada aphaba mihud khansi haiki India na British ki khutagi ningkha tambaga loinena India gi lemaida Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose na lusingba Indian National Army INA na India gi machu ahum gi phiral ihan hanna chingkhat ki benumit puning singduna Moirang da leba INA Matthews Memorial Complex Moirang da humputra manga suba ningsing thoram ngasi pangthokre Art and Culture amadi INA Advisory Committee Moirang na sinduna pangthokki pe thoram aduda nifunithoi suba Sam Rifles ki kangbuna General Salute PK India gi machu ahum gi phiral Moirang ning thauke ibol na singkhat paga loinena Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose ki mitamda laikat haikat tamduna ikai khumna ba utki Marak thana timba break amatang laujari
Ima, pirol suraba natra?
Suba khata na yaroi. Aduna pirol singda comfort tingli bani. Haujik makhum tangkhai ma hairo aduga t-shirt lupsillo. Masigi step macha asina higi langsingbu phajahanduna machu mamen su thokhani. Adudi comfort na torisi karino.
Fajanaba amasung macho mamin thohan mani.
Comfort after wash apik pa khongthang achoba thabak.
Panthoibi Villas, everything you need to call it a home. A gated society with 24/7 security. Elegantly designed villas. Book now. Panthoibi Constructions Private Limited, a subsidiary of Panthoibi Housing Finance Company Limited, Taurangbam Laikai, Uripok, Imphal.
Paradise para fruit. Paradise para fruit. Have a sip and feel the difference.
Ahang bapam khara logadori Manipura IT gi lamda maming leraba Q10 Technologies Private Limited na ahang bapam khar gi damak darkhas kauri Java developer from Taranithoi .net developer from Taranithoi business executive from Taru last date of submission April 13 office address Q10 Technologies Private Limited second floor Manipur IT Park Mantipukhi.
Welcome to Food Wi-Fi, the fastest food delivery app in Imphal. There's no minimum order that brings the tastiest food in your neighborhood right to your doorstep. So you can order for one or for many. A well-trained delivery team will satisfy your hunger in no time. Download the Food Wi-Fi app now.
Panthoibi Constructions, a subsidiary of Panthoibi Housing Finance Company Limited, presents Panthoibi Green Home, the first of its kind residential group housing project. Panthoibi Green Homes will mark a future of modern living in the state of Manipur. Come now and register your consent of interest to be a part of the future living. Panthoibi Housing Finance Company Limited.
Admission open at BYS and BYS BMT for class 10, 11 and 12.
Second position logjarakpa BYS na mating pangdiri.
BYS ki PSC se kin thakpada masam na kanai na khale.
2018 sida aina mai pawak ko matlab se BYS BMT ki faculty sing mayam na jang mating pangbi.
Maruti Suzuki Arena brings you the big new WagonR. Stronger on looks, stronger in character, stronger on the outside, stronger on comfort, stronger on technology, stronger on performance, stronger on safety. They strive the big new WagonR at our Aston Motors showroom located at Jingmirong in Balgas.
Jolip 100% natural syrup amasung capsule yu thakpadagi oirakpa awaba chaitheng hakjangi liver soklakpadagi kuchu sengaktaba haksang soktharakpa tumba chaba yaraktaba khong hamba nungaraktaba singbu phanba ngamba amata ngairaba upaidi Jolip syrup amasung capsule diabetes singidamakta Jolip capsule chabiu.
Break ki tungda taram noksari makhataba pauda Manipur Apex Handloom Weavers and Handicrafts Artisan na sinduna Mars ki tang kontra degi GM Hall chatharakpa Special Handloom Expo loisin kre stall humudra rom na saruk yakhiba Handloom Expo loisin magi tharomda Motua Museum ki Director Motua Bahadur Manipur Apex Handloom ki President ke Indirana maru oiba miyoi sing oina saruk yakhi Motua Bahadurna maitai mitai sungna khwang da phi saramba du hodoktuna malem da khanghanba mathau tare haiki
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯖꯥꯏꯅꯔꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯨꯄꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯦꯛ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯦꯛ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯕꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯌꯦꯛ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯩ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯈꯪꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯔꯨ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯏ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯨ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯖꯥꯏꯅꯔꯗꯨꯅ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯁꯦꯠꯅꯕ ꯐꯅꯦꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯞꯆꯤꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯗꯤ ꯇꯧꯗꯅꯕ ꯗꯤꯖꯥꯏꯅꯔꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯆꯦꯛꯁꯤꯟꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯊꯝꯖꯅꯤꯡꯏ
Myanmar gi chahi hobagi tharoma ma oina pangthokliba water festival dajan ngarangdagi haukhriba matungda ngasi nini chanba numita tamu town manungi lambi gi mataida stage saduna isai nongmai gi thorom pangthokpaga loinana paksana festival asi pangthokre festival asi chatkibe chahida tawkhiba phattaba kaya amadi awa na kaya nangkhiba sing isingna changthokduna koknaba pangthokpani festival asida Manipur amadi atopa mafam kaya dagi lakpa miyoi kaya su saruk yari Jisu Kristana Jerusalem town the lakpada lamdam adugi miyamna hosana haina lauduna lakhiba numit pam sandi buning singduna ngasi more town dasu Christian lining chatpa miyoi singna ayu angan badagi hosana lauduna khongsat amazat khrei Palm Sunday gi thoramasi maugi area da laiba Christian gi church sing da chu pangthokki numit asibu ningsingduna miyoi kayana mafam kayada khongsat chatki Nupi ama thasigi tangtara mathoida mayumdagi thokibedagi hanjilaktre hairi mamingna khetri mayum ningol sagol sem ongbi Rosie Devi chahi kunipal Thobal district ki Nepra company makhalai kaidagi sagol sem singajit ki loina bini mahak phut manga wangi kuchungawi masapai mahakna yumdagi thokiba matamda hangam pal machugi phanek higok machugi furit litki kana gumbana miyoi asi thengna birabadi manak nakpa police station natraga mobile number 8837256113 natraga 9612303242 da pau pibiyo haire State ki thakta pangthokpa moirang run haini mingthonba half marathon race amangasi Historical Heritage Development Association moirang na sinduna Run for Freedom haiba thimda moirang da pangthokre moirang Municipal Council ki akoibeda chenkhiba marathon race aduda punna miyoi chamanga marfu humdoina saruk yaki ofanda nupagi kilometer kunmathoi nupigi kilometer nipan amadi nupagi kilometer nipan haina category ahum thokna khaidokpa marathon aduda athoi ahen tanaki makok mathang tarabasingda mana Piduna Pukning Thogat Kray April gi tang kunma thoidagi kuntaruk phawba Maharashtra da chathagadaba kuntare laksuba mini voice national volleyball championship da saruk yagadaba sanaroi singda tracksuit yanthokre losilakpada maroi ba pau amuk Angang unabada mama laikhidabadagi Janims Hospital da irang thokre amadi Churachandpur da ngarang strong room hangkhiba du tangai phadana che chang lokthokpagi hangkhibani haina CEO PK Singna haikhrei Hausiki oinadi ISTV ne pizaba Manipuri pau matang asida loisinjari miyang tabiri papum namakpo amuka hana kurumjari